all the preparation is now gearing towards Kumasi Asante Kotoko versus Medeama. The inaugural game so Kotoko confirms a game no if you had that time I bebo game no Kotoko now Kumasi Asante Kotoko next agenda on the table is against Medeama for the inaugural game so Friday yentie na yenhyɛ so Medeama prepare towards that game na Kumasi Asante Kotoko nso prepare towards that game. That is going to be a sealer before Kotoko ebe take another maybe 2 weeks deep preparation towards the league. Now Kumasi Asante Kotoko anano pa sorry no ye ko social media na omode artwork we beto Samba Onel na odaso no na Medeama new stadium no nso omaya edaso wo ho no na game no 16th of August no fall on Friday yenti na yenhye no nzunzu wa plan so obeko game ni bia Friday day animu ya na Monday yenti ye Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and them 3 days spend them to Friday. Now according to Kumasi Asante Kotoko game no the traditional kick-off nyina nim se Ghana your ball no miensa hey is ade no minim de ode ba yo 3 p.m. kick-off 3 p.m. and abeka ho traditional but from Kumasi Asante Kotoko communication I must say yemfa ento across the whole world and no game no 5 p.m. into yebebo no 6-7 into by 7 p.m. no na yapon ball no it is going to be 5 and 6 game here 45 minutes. Friday 16th of August TNA Park Takwa kickoff is 5 p.m. into why wadwen say obekwa 5 p.m. Friday and Kotoko ni Medeama game no eba so the new TNA Park DBA stadium no into sa pepepenet here are some photos from Medeama training grounds are almost prepare towards this particular game, and after this particular game it will be left with 2 weeks or 2 and some few days be 2 weeks and few days be na yashe league na se league no yebesha se next month 6th of September and as I say yewo yebebo game ni 16th immediately after the game we na ka 2 weeks be na yashe league na se and Kotoko pre-season akontuo nsesem no manya information bia immediately after this video major confirmation na my whole story about Sisia because time it is almost up and yensem kra nti Kotoko pre-season move no major story na about Sisia na me the updates no